So we've been asked to find cube root of 5 minus 7i. Okay? So what's the first thing that we need to do here? Perfect. We need to put it in a form which has the modulus and the argument in. So either polar form or Euler form will work. Okay? So, right, what would R be? What would the modulus be?
Root 74.
Okay, so you calculated that by doing 5 squared plus negative 7 squared, which is root, 74. Okay? And the argument, what would that be? So it'd be tan inverse of negative 7 by 5.
Minus 0.95.
Okay, negative
Radian.
0.95 radians, good. Okay. Now I would draw a sketch at this stage. I would draw a sketch. So here we go. There's my reals, there's my imaginaries. So negative 0.95 would be that many radians backwards. Okay, so instead of measuring anti-clockwise, we're going clockwise instead. So it'd be down here somewhere, right? And root 74, all right, okay, so we're looking at a root somewhere over here. Okay, sorry, that's my complex number z, okay? That's my complex number z, which was 5 minus 7i, as expected, okay? So what's my next step if I want to find the cube root of z?
1 by 3.
So I need to calculate the base root first, good. So to find the base root of this, I want z to the power of a third, or the cube root of z, which will just be, I'm going to put this quickly into, what would you prefer, polar form or Euler form? Euler, okay, because it's quicker, it's easier to write. So let's do that. So z would be equal to what?
Root 74
Good.
equal power minus 0.95.
I. Perfect, yeah? And of course, you could also put this in polar form as well. It doesn't matter which. So yeah, to calculate the base root, I can use de Moivre's theorem, okay? So I'll take root 74 and raise it to the power of 1/3. Then I take my argument and I multiply that by 1/3. Lots of I, okay? Just do a quick bit of tidying up. So what would this be tidied up? It would be 6th root of 74. What's that going to be? It's about 0.3-ish, isn't it? 0.318.
It's holding fraction.
So what is it?
Minus 19 by 60.
Okay. 19 by 6. 60. Okay, fine. So that was, yeah, okay. Yep, fine. So that would be my base root, which would be what? Here somewhere, wouldn't it? Okay, so that's my base root, z1. My other two roots will be equally spaced. Can you tell me what the spacing is going to be between these numbers? I'll make that a bit shorter. Can you tell me what the spacing is going to be?
2 by 3.
Perfect. So the spacing will be an entire turn into 3 equal spacing. Okay. So once I've got my base root, this is z1. What's z2 and z2 going to be? Z2 and z3 going to be? So z2 will mean the same modulus. E to the power of, you just take that and you add 2 pi by 3.
Yeah.
So what's that going to be?
1.77?
1.77?
Maybe.
Okay, I'll go with it because it does seem reasonable. It does seem reasonable about that. Okay, and therefore, z3 must be equal to the 6th root of 74, e to the power of 1.77 plus another 2 pi by 3. The spacing is still remaining the same, remember? Lots of I. So can somebody stick that in a calculator for me? 3.86, lots of I, okay? So my three roots will be the 6th root of 74 e to the power of negative 19/60ths I, it will be the 6th root of 74 e to the power of 1.77i, and the 6th root of 74 e to the power of 3.86i. Okay.